Hi ladies and gentlemen, I am HEALYMEANS. Welcome to today's quick clip. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a quick clip of the second order of TEMU items I got. So my last order, I went back and checked, it was order number 4. I almost want to say this is like order number 4.5 because I ordered this stuff like just a few days after I ordered the last stuff. Make sure you check out that video if you haven't seen it already. Here is the package, and y'all, I'm surprised to see like the only place that TEMU is written on here is like the return address. All right, y'all, you know how it is. I got my handy dandy scissors. Let me do this off camera so you can miss this crumbling and crackling noise, but hear it when I open up the individual items. I'm working with the lighting in this area, y'all, for real. It just so happened that the way the natural lighting is and the furniture I have in this area, like everything in here cast shadows, y'all. Even look, even my scissors cast a shadow. Y'all know the deal. Please, if you like what you're seeing, if you like my content, make sure you subscribe to my channel, click that notifications bell, make sure you like, comment, and share with everyone you know. Now let me show you what I got. In the last TEMU haul, I got 2 of those green mats that I said I was going to use to mix my soil. Those came 2 in the same pack, and I told y'all it was like the rectangle size instead of the square one that I bought initially, and I still can't find that mat. Y'all, where is it? I don't know. So I bought those 2 mats in the last order, and I think it was 2 mats for $6 and something, so they were $3 and something each. I don't remember how much these were, y'all, but it was cheaper than 2 for $6 and something. I think I got 2 of these for $3 and something. Y'all, when I saw it, I was burnt up, so you know I had to buy them. So now I have 4 of the rectangle mats, and if I ever find that 1 square mat, y'all, I have that. I can always use these mats, not just for the garden, not just for mixing soil, but for all kind of stuff. Anywhere where I want to contain whatever activity that I'm doing and I don't want to mess all over the place, I could use these mats. Now, I know that this is from a different manufacturer than the other one because these came in 2 separate packs, and I like that. Yep, and see, you can tell it's a different manufacturer because I believe the snaps that I had on the other one were like white plastic snaps, and these are actually metal. If you can see that, it's probably not gonna focus, but these are metal. And then the next thing, y'all, I remember on the last video where I was like, oh, this is supposed to be 40 pieces and it's supposed to be whatever, and it only showed 20 pieces on the side of the pack. And then when I opened it, I was like, I know doggone well the package was too small and it was 20 instead of 40. Okay, that ended up being magnets, but this is what I really thought it was. These are like little booties, little boots for like the legs of chairs and other, you know, like small items like that. Kind of like little rubber booties. Y'all see? Oh, that's so cute. And it expands, you know, just a little bit. Maybe not a lot, but it expands a little bit. And it's just to protect the feet or the legs of, say, for instance, a chair. And then also to protect your floor. So I saw these. I thought it was cute. I believe this is silicone. I like that it's expandable. And you get 40 of these. I don't even think I have 40 legs of chairs in this house, y'all, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna find something else to use them for too. So I didn't count them, y'all, but I believe it's 40. It's definitely more than 20. Y'all know if I count them, it'd be 38, then I'm gonna be mad. The next thing I bought, this is going to help me organize my paperwork and then allow me to see what it is that I'm actually trying to organize. Now, they had these in different colors, but of course, the plain white ones was cheaper, y'all. So I got that. If I like these, I might go back and get the colors. Then that way I can organize different categories of documents. But for right now, we're going to go with the clear ones. And these are flexible, like envelope size or large envelope size, little flexible document holders, y'all. Let me see. Oh, okay. I was trying to see where to open it up. All right. I'm sorry for the noise, y'all, but all right, so these are 10 in a pack, and look, so this is very thin, y'all. This is very thin, but it does have on this side, okay, it does have a snap closure, and you put your documents in here. If you have hanging file folders, this would be a good way to organize, put your documents in this and then put them in the hanging file folders. I have like the an accordion thing. Y'all know the ones that's, I think it's kind of made out of like cardboard or, you know, whatever, but it's a flexible accordion thing, and they are just this size where I can take the documents and the papers, put them in here, and then slide this into that little contraption. Anyway, it's 10 of these. I ain't gonna lie, I thought they might have been a little bit more like rigid, not like hard straight, but I thought they would have been a little bit more rigid, but they're not. Anyway, I bought 2 packs of these, so I have 20. Y'all, it's sticking to the tape that it of the container that it came in. Y'all, it's sticking to the tape. I got 2 packs of these, so 20 in total. I'm going to use these for my documents because I have a lot of documents. I really need to see what I have, organized, and then get rid of the rest, y'all, because I have a lot of paperwork, documents, just important papers, either now or at some point in my life, and it's time to purge, y'all. But I need to organize as I purge, so these gonna come in handy. This was a real quick haul, and I wish I would have just added this stuff to the original order, but I didn't. So this is TEMU order 4.5. The last thing that I got, this looks smaller than what I thought it was, but this is something that's gonna help me. You ever had to apply ice to like an injury or something like that, and you get a Ziploc bag, or you get the no-name brand like I have, but you get the storage bag and you put the ice in it, and then you either wrap it in a towel, and then you wrap it on, you know, your arm, your leg, whatever, and then you use that as an ice pack. Well, I was like, you know what, let me give me a real ice pack. So I got this item. It says it has a strawberry design on it. Oh, look what it says, if you can see that. Fruit, hope, and love. Okay, so it twists off. And then here is where you put in the ice cubes. Okay, so it does expand. I mean, I don't know. What's that, y'all? Like a cup of ice, a half a cup of ice. I mean, but it's small enough where you can apply it to a specific area on your body, neck, shoulder, back, arm, leg, whatever. Put the ice in here. The thing I like about this is that when the ice melts, it's not going to somehow seep through the Ziploc bag. Y'all, because why the ice, when it melts, the water always come out the bag? Even though you have it in a bag, you know, you make sure you zip it all the way closed. Then you have it wrapped in a towel, but somehow the ice melt and the water get through the bag, it get through the towel, and then it's dripping down your leg instead of just being contained. Well, this is my answer to that. This is cute. I like the little strawberry designs, and they have ones with other designs. I just got the strawberry one. I like this fruit, hope, and love. I think that's cute, y'all. And that's it. Now, like, you can just spin it on top here. Hopefully, I don't have to worry about the water leaking out once the ice melts, but we're gonna see. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all that I have. Thank you for joining me in this quick clip, which was TEMU order 4.5. Remember to subscribe to my channel, click that notifications bell, like, comment, and share with everyone you know. And until next time, be safe, be well, and be blessed.